So I picked up this wireless mouse. I'm going to show you in this video. The review will be coming up in a few days. Let's go ahead and have a look. This is the F9 Mecha Plus by inphic. Very soft clicks. You have the wireless receiver thingy in down here. Got the on and off button. Seems alright. It's very light. It's pretty nice in the hand. I do like it. A little resistive at the bottom. I think I might need to take these off. That comes off actually. Yeah, we need to take them off. That's much better. That's pretty nice. You have the charging port. 2 buttons on the side. Yeah, I'll have a review of this coming up.